The stag do would have been great, wouldn't it? I love stag do's, I do, because I've been on quite a few recently. I think I like him because he's not really a manly man. I get hanging around with geezers, you know? My friend Spider got married this year, a miracle in itself. The man is a feral beast. He is. He once got caught lifting up a mannequin skirt, only to discover it was a real lady. You'd think easy mistake to make. We were in Greggs. He's so feral. Now, if I gave you a Barocca, you'd know what to do. You put it in water, it would fizz down. You drink the vitamin C goodness. I gave him one. He put it straight in his mouth. You know, Ross. Kick on it, ain't it? Ginger dribbling down his body. He looked like sucked off the Ready Break Man. It was brilliant. And his stag do was magnificent and debauched. He got drunk. I don't mean tipsy. I mean drunk. We found him. We found him in a hotel room, holding onto a loaf of bread, screaming, "You won't turn this into toast." If you find yourself defending Hovis, you need to stop drinking.
It's my bread. You leave it alone. It's okay, Brett. It's gonna be all right.
He's just a brilliant bloke. He's just an idiot, you know? He was the boy at school. There was always one that was obsessed with masturbating. That was Spider. There was always one boy, wasn't there? And they always told you about it, and they could never do it normally. They had to do it weird. Yeah, what you want to do, Russ? Put your hand in the fridge, leave it there for half an hour, whoa, then have a go on yourself. Bloody hell, you feel like an Eskimo. What is wrong with you? Bringing in diagrams, have a look at that. Is that even legal? The lemur is a very clever animal. They could never do it normal. They were like a masturbatory Heston Blumenthal. They had to do it weird. Girls aren't like that. I don't think you have to put up with that kind of wank banter. I doubt there was ever two girls in our class ever there going, "Here, Linda, you ever had a danger wank? What's that?" "Well, let me tell you. What you got to do, right, you got to touch yourself up. You got to scream your mum's name. You got to come before she gets in the room." Bloody hell. Here, you live in a bungalow. I know. I don't care. When I get going, I'm like a broken sprinkler. I really am. The point I'm